afternoon.
Good afternoon.
My name is Collie Gege, a reporter from D15 FM 98.1. I have passed by to ITV Questions as one of Liberia's best comedians. Yeah, as related to the virus, the one deadly virus that we are faced with today in Liberia. I have learned that a man who brought this virus in Liberia, who happened to be Mr. Nathaniel Blamo, has been announced free of this virus. What do you have to say?
You know, the thing I don't say. The thing I can add on question, they can make some fair. They are on the screen now. Oh, so flogging. Oh, it be general. My next ask why I flogging it. He asked me any funny question and I tell you about it. I'll just tell my boss not to lock my door and I will flog you. You getting me? Nothing will come out. Hey, I'll take everything for you. Like that question and answer it, you can just say, Mr. Blamo, I ain't ready for it. And the bar headquarters here about it. They say you record, what people say? And record. Just say nothing about call the man, Mr. Coronavirus. Why name?
Nathaniel Blamo.
Nathaniel Blamo. I ain't ready for it. If I headquarters here about it.
Okay, I think his name is Nathaniel Blamo. Okay, that's okay, but I want to ask you another question. What do you have to say about the country information minister Eugene Nangbe that he was also contacted with the virus?
Yeah, he contact with the virus. You know the virus or F1 virus is chasing all the money people. Depending where you eat the money, at the time it start rain with you. You tell the virus not get sent, and I can't not come up person in the country because I think common man get. All I believe people that they get it. Nobody need over.
Okay, this is my next question. There is this rumor around that the president, the head of state of this country, Liberia, he is friendly with most of those guys who were effectively contacted with this virus. But today he hasn't been announced that he has this virus. So many people are saying that he hasn't been tested to actually make people to know that he does not have this virus. What do you have to say about that?
Trying to say that, which means he asked if the president to get a virus.
That is the main concerns of the Liberian people, that he's not announced coronavirus engaged. So what do you have to say about that?
Wait now. The president get it.
Are you sure?
By the phone, was that speaker?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, he tell what they say, where is they going? He won't go. Oh, come here. We say, wow, do my now why you won't go for check up? Because they go.
Okay, I think you will come in on your phone. I have this final question for you now.
Maybe it's a for.
This is my final question. People are saying that it's not true that the virus is in Liberia. Reason being, those people who own the street, those locals, no one has been announced that this virus is in one of the so-called. So because of that, this virus is not in Liberia. So do you believe that, why is it that this virus can now grab one of the so-called on the street?
Thank you for that question. People say virus in a country because Liberia called lawful, so dear. That the reason why nobody not die. That the reason people flatter in the say no fire in the country. The reason why Zoko can't get a fire. Say you been going to church or you been seeing people. Have you ever seen a demon enter in Zoko?
I haven't seen that yet.
Because why demon can fall on saying. And the Zoko they can't be. Demon they did not let anything pertaining to heat. They heat that honor Zoko and be crazy and I tell that. So when demons go there straight, you say, move on, Emio, the part of your car. Well, the reason why the virus that one got to Zoko. Well, virus to say, enter in Zoko. What I'm saying, must say the virus that quick.